absolutely brilliant. Come on to me. I saw you flash a smile. That seemed to me to say,
Fucking hell.
you wanted so much more than casual conversation. I swear I caught you.
Twat. Fucking prick. There you go, look.
The first chart-topping hit by Wham from 1984. But can you give me the title of Wham's last number one? Wham, first number one. What was Wham's last number one?
What are you doing?
Sorry, no, I think that was a George Michael solo.
Fucking
No, their last number one was The Edge of Heaven. Brandon Flowers is best known as lead singer with which American band?
Come on!
Funny, we'll be choosing Tractor Machines quite soon. I'm looking forward to that. You're looking forward to Jeremy Vine being back, aren't you?
Fucking twat.
Yes, he's back at 12 o'clock today, and at 2 o'clock it's Steve Rice in the afternoon. He's back as well with Forensic Mind Reader.
Oh, I was wrong. Oh, we was so fucking hell. Fucking clever, innit? Well done, mate. Oh, God, yeah. I'm 6 miles away from going back in there now, so what do you want me to do?
You can go back in there, Steve. See how you get on. Maybe, you know.
8850.
Thank you. So it's loading up. Okay, I have got Phaser 3600 in Gloucester.
Yeah.
And first floor code number 3.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, what's the fix?
I replaced the feed rolls and the reg assembly.
Replaced feed rolls in the right assembly, yeah?
Yeah.
And tested, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay.
Cool.